located on the side here is our main power switch. Flip the switch up to flip it on. We're now going to look right here. We'll look for our power indicator, this red light. If it's not on, next thing to check is this emergency stop switch. You twist it clockwise to release it. We now have power. Now we're going to check for our low air pressure indicator here. If lit, we have low air pressure. So we're going to check our hose. Plug it in, and the light's off, which means the whole system has power now, so it's ready to operate. So the next thing we have to do, in order to operate it, we have to check our pressure here at the bottom. So we're going to turn on, we're going to check and see that our pressure is around 1300, somewhere in that ballpark, to make sure that we supply enough pressure to the machine to operate. So the main supply pressure shows we have 1,254, which is appropriate for the tester. So the thing we're going to do, we're going to check our mode selector switch. We're going to ensure that it is on auto. We can open our doors. Behind this aluminum plate is a S-coil that will circulate cooled water if you have a water chiller or circulate the water. Underneath of the power, there is a switch on and off for a pump. When turned on, this red light will illuminate. It will start circulating your water at the temperature you're choosing through the S-coils in the system to keep the boxes at a consistent temperature. For now, what we're going to do, we're going to install a valve, a 1.5 inch valve on this side. Now the key is to make sure that the Schrader valve goes down and the threads are up for this system. So you're just going to push it down until it stops. So the thing you're going to want to check to make sure it's all the way down is if this slide can close. If it closes, then you know you have the valve at the appropriate depth. Same thing for this side. We're going to pull this slide open. We're going to drop our valve down in there. And we're going to close that. It closes. So that's all well. Now we're going to close our doors, twist to lock. The machine will not operate with the doors open. So again, close the door, twist to lock. Now the doors, they're locked but can still be opened. Once we apply pressure, a lock will actuate that will keep you from being able to open the door once pressure has been added. So the next thing we need to do, we need to make sure our power is on to our computer. So we're going to press our power button. We're going to let the computer boot up, and we'll join you once that comes back up.